Learning English vocabulary can feel hard, but there are many easy and fun ways to help you remember words. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice every day and use smart methods. The more you see, hear, speak, and write the words, the faster you will remember them. One of the best tips is to use new words right away. When you learn a word, don't just write it down and forget it. Try to say it out loud, write it in a sentence, or even speak it to yourself in the mirror. For example, if you learn the word happy, you can say, I feel happy today, or that movie made me happy. These simple sentences will help you keep the word in your brain longer. Another great way is to create your own vocabulary notebook. This can be a small book or even a note on your phone. Every time you learn a new word, write the word, the meaning in your language or in English, and a simple example sentence. You can also write the pronunciation if it's difficult. Add a small picture or drawing to help you remember. For example, for the word apple, you can draw a red apple next to the word. Pictures and colors help your brain remember faster. If you want to make it more fun, use colored pens or stickers. Make your notebook beautiful and personal. Also, try to group similar words together. For example, if you learn the word cold, you can also learn words like hot, warm, cool, and freezing. These words are about temperature, so your brain can connect them easily. This is called word families or themes. You can group words about food, clothes, emotions, school, travel, and so on. This method helps you understand how words work together. It is easier to remember 5 words about the same topic than 5 random words. Another simple idea is to make short stories using the new words. It doesn't need to be a big story, just 5 or 6 sentences is enough. For example, if you learn the words cat, sleep, chair, and window, you can write, my cat likes to sleep on the chair near the window. She sleeps all day and watches birds. This method helps you remember the words with emotion and imagination. When your brain feels something or imagines something, it remembers better. You can even try drawing your story like a comic. You should also try to use new vocabulary in real life. If you have friends who speak English, try to chat with them using new words. If not, you can practice speaking alone, like talking to yourself. For example, when you are walking or cooking, say things like, now I'm cutting vegetables, or I need to buy sugar. This helps you connect words with real actions. It makes learning natural, like a child learning to speak. Listening is also a good way to grow your vocabulary. You can listen to English songs, YouTube videos, or easy podcasts. When you hear a word many times, it stays in your mind. Try to repeat after the speaker. Use subtitles if needed, and write down any new words. After listening, try to use those words in your own sentence. Watching movies or cartoons with English subtitles is very helpful. You can pause and repeat the sentences. This way, you learn how the words sound and how they are used. Another helpful method is flashcards. You can use real paper cards or mobile apps like Anki or Quizlet. Write the English word on one side and the meaning on the other. Test yourself every day. If you remember the word, put it in the learned pile. If not, keep practicing. You can also play games with flashcards like Memory Match or guessing games. This makes learning more fun and active. Repetition is very important. It's okay if you forget a word today. Just review it again tomorrow. Studies show that if you see and use a word 6 to 10 times, it becomes part of your memory. So don't worry if you forget. Just keep trying. Review your notebook or flashcards every few days. Repeat the words out loud. The more you use a word, the easier it becomes. You can also stick words on things in your house. For example, write mirror and stick it on your mirror. Write door and stick it on your door. This trick helps you remember words because you see them every day. Soon you will remember the words without even trying. And don't forget, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are a good way to learn. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns something new. So be brave, keep practicing, and don't give up. Learning vocabulary takes time, but if you make it fun, easy, and part of your daily life, you will remember more and more words. Just 5 to 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Little by little, your vocabulary will grow and your English will become stronger.